What's going on, YouTube? Yeah, quality video might suck on this, but that's alright. Here's one Hot Wheel. Where we at? Yoink. Oh, we're gonna go this way. I believe it's a quick bite. Yep, quick bite. What we got? 68 Dodge Chart. As you see, they're not open. Now we're gonna open them. It's no secret. Just I got duplicates of these. I got lots of them. Hot Wheels makes it a fun little. Oh, let's just keep giving you the medium cars. So here's what the card looks like. Now you wonder why I got this one out. You wonder what's in this case, you're about to find out. And you're gonna need one of these. And yes, before you even squawk, I don't want to hear it. I don't care to hear it. Always remember safety glasses. And no, I'm not wearing safety glasses, so tomato. If that's setting double standards, well, sorry. That's just me. That's a masonry bit. What the hell is that doing there? Bits are everywhere. Don't mind me. I'm just putzing here. There we go. You gotta understand, it's fun playing with tools. I'll show you what I'm doing in a minute. That's too big. Might be too big. You'll see what I'm doing in a minute. I'm not really telling you because I don't plan nothing. I don't pre-record things. That is me. That's how I roll. If you hang out with me long enough, you'll know. We're gonna roll with that. This is what I was grabbing. Now, all you're gonna see me do, and I can try to point the camera down here a little bit. It's kind of hard playing with new rigs, so we're gonna try to make a squat just like that. Now, if you do this correctly, you'll see, yeah, I just got metal strands in there. That's alright. But if you see, all I'm doing is working on the rivets. There are 2 rivets on here. If I did my homework correct, I know Jennifer White will watch this and go, "Where's your safety glasses?" Well, theoretically, like I told you, should be going to get safety glasses. Now, see, I got most of the rivets out. Now what I'm going to do is just keep drilling, and eventually what will happen, eventually, not right away, Yeah, I know. I'm gonna hear flock about not safety glasses. Yep, the front's off. Yeah. It's gonna be metal shavings everywhere. But that front rivet is almost ready to pop. The back one, not so much. It is an art form to find the right drill bit on the right spot. Me, I'm not worried about it because, like I said, I got duplicates of these. Nope, he's through. And yes, I can show you this up close. If you did it right, and yes, it's all it is pot metal. If you did this correctly, now you should be able to, like I said, should be able to. Yes, that is just me putting the car down for a minute. And no, I don't have a prying tool, so I'm using something, I think. Theoretically, if you did this correctly, but these are the, it is a pain in the butt some days to pull these things apart. But you can pull them apart. And I didn't grab a screwdriver or anything like that, so I will just try to improvise somehow. Should have grabbed the screwdriver, but that happens. Oh, you know what I got over here? I do got a file tip. No. You wonder what I'm going to do with that. You see. There we go. You just lightly prying up on it. If the paint gets scratched on this, you're going to paint that anyways. It ain't going to matter. But what I'm trying to do is pry up against that rivet to see if I got the rivet free. But like I said, you might have to work on the rivets. The rivets are the hardest part. Once you figure out how to pop the rivets, and yes, I got a piece of glass right there, so it'll make it a lot easier to clean it. I'm on a tile floor too, if you can't see that. So theoretically, the rivets are pretty much drilled out. Now it's just a matter of very carefully trying to get the car to very carefully pop out. But we'll see what happens. It takes a while. There we go. There's the back. So, and there it is. So just remember, patience. Once you pop, all you're doing is you're drilling out that rivet, excuse the fingertip, that rivet, and that rivet. Here is your shell of your car. Actually, I'm going to scooch it back up here. So, basically, what you're basically doing is you're just getting those two rivets. This rivet and this rivet right here with my other fingers. Once you get those rivets drilled out, you can pop off the bottom of your car, which now gives you access to changing the wheels if you want. That is one possibility. Now you wonder why I'm holding it like this. Well, there's a reason why. There's your interior. Let's see if I can do that better. So there's your interior. You can paint the seats, paint a little bit, update it, fresh it. Now, as you can see, you got a shell of a car. There is your window. And this car in particular is metal. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a good candidate for paint. I haven't adventured into the strip and paint department yet, so I will figure out that. But now you can take this, paint this any color, do what you got to do, make it look better, factory stock, whatever. And it's just pretty much put it back together as the same way you got it. And it goes pretty much, there goes the window. You just figure out which way the interior goes, put the interior in. And I'm gonna probably regret this, but that's alright. That's not bad. They won't always snap in like that. So you either draw out these and you tap those out, these two posts, and put screws in, tacky glue, tacky cement, whatever, it works. But that's how you open up a Hot Wheel. That's how you can paint a Hot Wheel. Not all Hot Wheels are, not all the bodies are metal. I will open up the quick bites here real quick. And yes, that's what I'm working on. You're just getting the raw angles, and it is what it is. So, if I really wanted to, and I might, I don't know yet. This is the quick bites. It's a foodie truck. Now, the body is plastic. You can still strip it, still paint it. Same thing applies. Now the difference with this one, at some vehicles, the post is right here. That's easy to get to. But this one, it's a little more harder to get to, but you can get to it. Just patient. Once you take that apart, it's the same as that dart. You can take off your wheels. The interior is blue. The interior will come off. Right there's your interior. Windows come out. Now what you can do with these two is, if you don't like certain Hot Wheels, but like certain Hot Wheels I don't like. Like, why do you need all this crud up here? Okay, I can see one ventilation window, so you can modify this glass by cutting this off, getting styrene sheets, and basically try to patch in the windows. Or add windows to the back, vice versa. A lot of Hot Wheels are either going to be plastic body and metal frame. I can tell you this is metal, this is plastic. I could just hear it by the sound. It just depends on what the vehicle is. Quick bites, plastic, metal. And I know this video is getting a little long. Metal body, plastic frame. All your Hot Wheels are going to be like that. They're either going to be plastic or metal. It just depends on what they want to make. Whether they want to make the bodies metal, it's up to them. Like I said, if you would see all the Hot Wheels I have back in my master bedroom, I probably got another good 10, 20 of these things back there. Quick bites, I got the white version, the red version. I didn't pick up the blue version at O'Reilly, but there is a blue version of that. There's, Hot Wheels gives you pretty much broad cars. They give you imports, domestic, futuristic looking cars like donut cars, wiener cars. I'm not kidding you. To-go toilets. I like Hot Wheels for that reason. You can make them yours, customize it. But like I said, that's how you pop a Hot Wheel open. That is how you can pop any of these Hot Wheels open. And when you are prying against these, don't get discouraged. Don't get mad. Take your time. I just forgot I had a file laying around. A good flat screwdriver. Excuse me. A good flat screwdriver works wonders. This is a set that I've had for years. Let's see if I can go this way. This was a 24-piece set on Amazon. And I went to go look for it the other day. Amazon discontinued, or I can't find it. They went underneath a different brand. Who knows? But I figured I'd give you a quick little tour on how to pop these things open. I gotta get the paint stripper. I don't know what paint stripper is gonna work good to take the paint off. And then in a matter of sitting down, finding model or Tesla paint, find some type of paint that works on painting metals. Don't know yet. It's gonna be interesting. I want to see what I can find. Like I said before in another video, and I'm gonna wrap this up. I would love to find the original colors for the 68 Dart or the 69 or 68 Chevy Nova, or the Chevelles, the Novas, whatever. I want to find the original colors and paint them. See if I can get close to that. It'd be interesting to have Hot Wheels in those original colors. Don't get me wrong, that's not bad. But I don't think this is factory stock paint. But it's just me. Anyways, you guys have fun. Be safe. Like I said, if you're going to use power tools, I would recommend the age of 16 and above using power tools. If you're below let's say even 15, you can use a drill, but I'd still have an adult watching you using drills. Kids below 14 and below, no. Have your parent drill the hot wheel open, or ask them nicely to drill out the rivets for you, because one screw up with this, you can drill through your hand, you're gonna have stitches. I mean, if I would pop you off here real quick. If you look, that's all the metal shavings. And if you're in model trains, you can use that metal shavings on a gondola load. So there's another little tidbit for you. But anyways, have fun. Later.